What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $8.64 every 30 seconds by simply watching ads. This is a simple and easy way to make money online, and anyone can do it. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. First things first, let's talk about the platform we'll be using to earn money. The platform is called Swagbucks, and it's a website where you can earn money by doing various tasks, including watching ads. The best part is that it's completely free to sign up and start earning. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Swagbucks. Once you sign up, you can start earning by watching ads. Swagbucks will show you ads that are relevant to your interests, and you'll earn money for each ad you watch. On average, each ad you watch will earn you about 25 cents, and the ads are usually around 30 seconds long. So, if you do the math, that's about $8.64 every 30 seconds. But that's not all. Swagbucks also offers other ways to earn money, such as taking surveys, shopping online, and even playing games. So, if you're looking for more ways to earn money online, Swagbucks has got you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, there really isn't one. Swagbucks is a legitimate platform that pays its users for completing various tasks, including watching ads. Of course, you won't get rich overnight, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a simple and easy way to make money online, Swagbucks is definitely worth checking out. By watching ads for just 30 seconds, you can earn $8.64 each time. Plus, there are other ways to earn money on the platform, so you can maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this one.